Have you ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly attract success, love, and abundance, while others tirelessly struggle without results? The answer doesn't lie in physical effort or luck, but in something much deeper: the subconscious mind. Yes, that hidden part of your mind is like the software, controlling your actions, thoughts, and most importantly, your outcomes. And here's the kicker: 90% of your decisions are made by the subconscious without you even realizing it. But hang on, it's not magic or something impossible to change. There is a clear and accessible path to reprogram your subconscious mind and align your thoughts with your biggest goals. Today, you're going to discover 3 practical and effective methods to tap into this powerful tool that, when used correctly, can completely transform your reality. And the best part, you don't need years of study or expensive tools. Just apply what we're about to share here. Get ready to understand how the law of attraction, mental reprogramming, and the power of the subconscious can work in your favor in a simple, direct, and most importantly, effective way. This video isn't just another motivational theory. It's a practical manual for personal transformation. If you've tried to change your life before but felt stuck in repetitive patterns, know that the solution is closer than you think. So, if you're ready to unlock the true potential of your mind and finally create the life you've always desired, stay with me until the end of this video. Because what you're about to learn could be the game changer you need for your personal transformation. To begin now, have you noticed how your subconscious mind is like a secret vault holding beliefs and patterns that govern your decisions, often without you realizing it? It's fascinating because it's in this space that true transformation happens. Reprogramming. The subconscious mind might seem mystical, but it's a practical and accessible skill based on methods that respect how each person processes the world. Imagine turning your limiting beliefs into positive drives that lead you to success with the law of attraction as your invisible ally. Sounds impossible? Wait until you see how simple it is. For those seeking quick and effective results, 3 methods stand out: visual, auditory, and kinesthetic. These methods not only respect your unique learning and information absorption style, but also connect directly with how your subconscious mind operates. Think of your mind as a garden. By planting the right seeds, that is, powerful beliefs, you create a fertile foundation for the law of attraction to take root. If you've tried changing habits or thoughts without success, you might just need an approach that truly speaks to your profile. People who identify as visual learners can use techniques like vision boards or inspiring images. Imagine starting your day by looking at a mural that represents your most ambitious goals, from travels to professional achievements. Repeating these images helps the subconscious mind believe that they are already part of your reality. This is mental reprogramming in action, functioning as a shortcut to internalize what you desire. Visualization is powerful, but is it the only way? Get ready to discover more. For those who prefer learning through sound, the auditory method is key. Positive affirmations or high-vibration audios can be used during daily activities like driving or cooking. For example, listening to phrases like "I deserve abundance" while you work activates the subconscious mind to attract opportunities aligned with your goals. Have you ever thought about how the words you hear every day shape your beliefs? This is just one of the tools we'll explore. And for those who feel the world with their bodies, the kinesthetic method is even more fascinating. Imagine using techniques like meditation or even exercises that evoke specific emotions to access deep layers of the subconscious mind. Feeling the right vibration in your body is like unlocking a door that's been locked for years. But we're not stopping here. You'll discover even more in the specific methods, as you'll see next. The human mind loves images, They have the power to bypass logical barriers and directly reach the subconscious, like pinpoint arrows. Visual learners often absorb information through symbols, videos, colors, and graphic representations. In this case, the subconscious mind functions like a canvas, where each projected image can become a powerful belief. And here's the key. Visualization isn't just seeing, but feeling every detail of what you want to achieve as if it's already happening. Tools like vision boards aren't just trendy. They work because the brain doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined. Imagine pinning photos of destinations you want to visit, your dream home, or a desired lifestyle on a mural you see daily. Each glance reinforces the messages sent to the subconscious mind, creating an internal environment conducive to the law of attraction acting. It seems simple, but it's precisely this simplicity that makes it powerful. In addition to vision boards, another effective technique is the visual script. Grab a notebook and vividly write out how your ideal life will be. Describe where you are, how you feel, what you see around you. Then read this description every day, closing your eyes and imagining each scene. The subconscious mind loves well-told stories, and nothing is more persuasive to it than a clear and engaging visual narrative. This is mental reprogramming in practice. Another way to reinforce the visual method is through daily guided visualization practice. There are many audios and videos that lead the mind through scenarios of success, healing, and abundance. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and imagine your goals coming true as if they were already real. Repeating these images creates new patterns in the subconscious, and the brain starts working to find ways to make this vision a tangible reality. Now, take a moment and think. Have you been using the power of images to your advantage? Or are you just letting your mind be filled with random daily scenes? The visual method is more than just seeing. It's deeply feeling each projected image. And if you think the auditory mind might be more suited for you, don't worry. There's an equally powerful method coming up next. The power of sound goes far beyond what we usually perceive. Words, tones of voice, and even the frequency of the music we listen to have a direct impact on the subconscious mind. For those with an auditory profile, sound is like a master key that opens doors to deep internal transformations. And the most interesting part, this technique can be easily applied in daily life through positive affirmations, inspiring podcasts, or specific sound frequencies that stimulate healthier mental patterns. Positive affirmations are a classic and powerful tool. Repeating phrases like, "I am capable," "I deserve abundance," or "My subconscious mind works in my favor" might seem too simple to be effective, but that's exactly where the secret lies. Constant repetition causes these messages to install themselves in the subconscious, replacing limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts. How about starting your day by repeating 3 powerful affirmations in front of the mirror? The change can be surprising. Another effective practice is listening to mental reprogramming audios before bed. During sleep, the subconscious mind is more receptive and open to absorbing new information. There are specific recordings with affirmations, binaural frequencies, and relaxing sounds that act directly on the subconscious. A good tip is to search on YouTube for mental reprogramming audios or healing frequencies. Put on your headphones, relax, and let your mind work while you sleep. Besides affirmations and audios, there's also the power of transformative podcasts. Listening to inspiring stories, valuable insights, and interviews with successful people can be an incredible way to feed your mind with positive information. The auditory brain loves learning this way. Set aside 15 minutes of your day to listen to content that elevates your energy and reinforces your goals. Small daily actions lead to great results over time. Have you noticed how the words we hear can lift us up or bring us down? A destructive criticism can echo in the mind for years, while a sincere compliment can change someone's day. Consciously choosing what enters through your ears is more than self-care. It's a smart mental reprogramming strategy. And if you feel the world more with your body than with your ears, get ready. The next method might be exactly what you need. The kinesthetic method is for those who feel the world on their skin, literally. These people don't just hear or see, but experience each moment intensely and emotionally. The subconscious mind in these cases is accessed through physical sensations, touches, movements, and most importantly, deep emotions. It's as if every fiber of the body stores valuable information that, when properly harnessed, can become a true tool for mental reprogramming. Meditation is one of the most effective practices for those who identify with the kinesthetic profile. By closing your eyes, breathing deeply, and focusing on bodily sensations, you can create a state of presence where the subconscious becomes more receptive. Try meditating for just 10 minutes a day, focusing on your breath and observing each sensation that arises. It's in this space of silence and connection that limiting beliefs can be dissolved, making way for more positive thoughts aligned with your goals. Another powerful method is using emotional anchors. You know that perfume that brings back a good memory, or that song that makes you feel invincible? That's an emotional anchor. Kinesthetic individuals can use specific objects, scents, or textures to create triggers that activate positive emotional states. For example, holding a smooth stone in your hands while repeating affirmations can reinforce the message in the subconscious. Small details like this make a big difference. Additionally, activities that involve the body are excellent for accessing the subconscious. Practices like yoga, dancing, or mindful walking help release emotional blockages that often get stuck in the body. As you move, focus on the sensations, the strength of your muscles, the flow of your breath, the contact of your feet with the ground. This creates a direct communication between body and mind, opening space for new mental programming. Finally, never underestimate the power of a tight hug or a self-care gesture. For kinesthetic individuals, these small moments can be transformative. Applying moisturizer carefully, taking a hot bath, or even writing in a physical journal can be acts of reprogramming. It all lies in the sensations you choose to experience. And of course, there's an even deeper layer to explore, the spiritual connection with the subconscious, which we'll uncover next. Spirituality is like an invisible bridge connecting the conscious to the subconscious. No matter your belief or religion, this connection goes beyond dogmas and traditions. It's a journey within yourself. The subconscious mind, when allied with spirituality, becomes a sacred space of transformation where limiting beliefs can be dissolved and new seeds can be planted. It's in this internal territory that the law of attraction gains strength, as what is believed with genuine faith tends to manifest in reality. One of the most effective ways to align spirituality with mental reprogramming is through spiritual meditation. It's not just about emptying the mind, but creating a space where you can hear that inner voice, often drowned out by the noise of daily life. Set aside a few minutes each day to sit in silence, close your eyes, and focus on your breathing. Ask yourself, what does my subconscious want to show me today? The answers might surprise you. Another important point is the practice of conscious gratitude. It sounds simple, but gratitude is one of the most powerful ways to realign your energy with the universe. By writing down 3 things you're grateful for each day, your subconscious mind begins to focus on the positive aspects around you. This simple act, when done sincerely, creates a constant flow of abundance and well-being. As they say, what you focus on expands. Spirituality can Also be reinforced through daily rituals such as prayers, affirmations, or moments of contemplation. These small acts create a direct dialogue with the subconscious, sending clear and repetitive messages that shape more positive beliefs. For example, before bed, say to yourself, "I release all fears and trust the flow of life." Repeating this with faith can have transformative effects. Finally, understand that spirituality isn't about escaping reality, but seeing it with new eyes. By strengthening this connection, you not only reprogram your subconscious mind, but also create a solid foundation for the law of attraction to work smoothly in your life. And now that you know these powerful methods, the question remains, are you ready to put all this into practice and transform your reality? Now that you've discovered the 3 powerful methods to reprogram your subconscious mind, the question is, what are you going to do with this knowledge? Knowing without acting is like having a precious key and never opening the door. So start today, even if it's just a small step. Choose one of the methods, whether visual, auditory, or kinesthetic, and practice it daily. Remember, repetition is the mother of transformation. And tell me, which of these methods resonated most with you? Do you connect more with vivid images, inspiring words, or deep sensations? Write in the comments. I'd love to know which technique you're going to adopt to transform your life. And don't forget, your subconscious mind is always listening, seeing, and feeling. So feed it with what brings you closer to your dreams. If this content made sense to you, share it with someone who also needs to hear this message. Together, we can create a world where more people understand the power of the subconscious mind and how it can be used to achieve extraordinary results. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to keep receiving transformative content like this. The journey to a reprogrammed mind and an extraordinary life is just beginning. Now it's up to you. Let's turn dreams into reality.